Lexus unveils 2024 LM luxury minivan at Auto Shanghai, 2023, featuring a 48-inch screen and premium 4-seat variant. The Lexus LM has undeniably made a strong impression at Auto Shanghai, 2023. Now in its second generation, this luxury minivan is no longer exclusive to China, as Toyota's premium brand plans to sell it in over 60 countries worldwide, including Europe and Japan. However, the redesigned model won't be available in the United States. The 2024 LM boasts a completely revamped design, with a massive body-colored front grille and the Lexus lettering replacing the rear badge. Despite the 19-inch wheels appearing small, the new model has grown in size longer, wider, and taller than the previous version, while retaining the same wheelbase. The LM is a genuine minivan, complete with sliding doors and a spacious interior, available in a 3-row layout with 6 or 7 seats. A luxurious 2-row 4-seat version is designed for use as a chauffeur-driven MPV. The most eye-catching feature in the latter is a massive 48-inch display, intended for entertainment and online meetings. The 4-seat variant also includes a refrigerator, storage spaces, and a privacy glass with 2-level dimming. The 64-color ambient lighting system offers 14 preset themes and 50 customizable hues to create a relaxing atmosphere. A retractable leather-wrapped table is conveniently stored within the armrest when not in use. A unique feature of the LM is the infrared sensor on the upper center portion of the partition, which detects the temperature of passengers' faces, chests, thighs, and lower legs, as well as the windows, trim, and ceiling areas affected by ambient temperature. The air conditioning system automatically adjusts based on these measurements to ensure maximum comfort. While Lexus has not provided specific details about the powertrains, the 2024 LM will be available with a turbocharged 2.4-liter hybrid powertrain and a 2.5-liter hybrid. The new LM's torsional rigidity has increased by 50% compared to the first-generation model, and an adaptive suspension utilizes a frequency-sensitive piston valve in the shock absorber to smooth out road imperfections. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.